Let's go ahead and create an AWS account. This process is simple, and I'll walk you through each step. The first thing you'll need to do is provide your main email address. This will be your root user email. It's the primary email address you'll use to log into your account. Next, you can specify a name for your account. Something like YouTube course is a good example. After you've verified your email, you will be asked to set a password for your root user. You'll need to enter it twice to confirm. It's very important that you remember both your root email address and your root password. Then, you'll need to choose a support plan. For this course, the basic support plan, which is free, is all you need. Next, you'll specify that this is a personal account and enter your details. Then, you will be asked to enter your credit card information. You will see an authorization of $1 on this card. It is important to know that this is not a charge. It is a temporary authorization that will be cancelled shortly. The good news is, as long as you remain within the AWS Free Tier, you will not be charged. Throughout this course, we will be using services that are within these limits. I will also show you how to monitor your usage to make sure you stay within the free tier. After that, you must confirm your identity by providing a phone number. You will receive either a text message or a voice call with a code to confirm that number. After you've completed all these steps, you have signed up for AWS. Your account will take a few minutes to activate. You will receive an email when this is complete. In the meantime, go to the login page or click on the login link I provided in the description. You'll be asked to enter your root user email and the password you just set. Once you do, you will be logged into the AWS console. See you in the next video.